we are looking at how to pronounce this word, both in British English and in American English, as the two pronunciations differ. In British English, this is normally said as inevitability. You do want to stress on the fifth syllable, on the B syllable. Inevitability. In American English, however, it is usually said as inevitability. 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 Yeah, it's a funny word in American English. Inevitability in American English and inevitability in British English. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.